So guys, this video will be featuring modern show hair. Let's take a look. I have a 24-inch lace wig here, guys.
Here I come again, Lord, before you. You took my worries away. There's no one else, Lord, beside you. You took my burden away.
Yeah, good smell. Because sometimes I get weave, yeah, and it just smells like, if you're someone that doesn't bleach your hair or doesn't want to wash it, you don't have to. It smells really nice. Like I said, it is silky na blood clot. Yes, sir. I said it. It is very, very silky, but I'm really, really excited to try this on.
Sweet love, you are pure love. You are good love. You are true love. You are sweet love. You are pure love. You are good love. You are pure love. You are good love. You are.
This is literally the perfect wig ever. It looks like black. It is a perfect wig, guys. It's a very good wig for beginners as well. Like if you've never ever touched a frontal, I'm sure you will be able to get this one without any help. Like it is amazing. This wig is fantastic. I'm so in love. And listen, I don't even need to say much because you lot can see what I can see. Do you get what I'm saying? Like you can see what I can see.